boys and girls. Okay, welcome to Tuesday's math for December 15th. Today we are going to start on page 329. So go ahead, grab your math book and turn to page 329. It has two boxes on it and a little girl, and you can see 329. Okay, so this is lesson 5-6, and it's called Solve Addition and Subtraction Word Problems. We already know how to do all of this stuff in this lesson. It's just teaching us how to do it when it's worded a little bit differently. So let's look at that I can statement on my page. All right, ready? Mirrors on. I can solve word problems involving comparisons. Mirrors off. Good job. Okay, so let's read what it says on page 329 with our two boxes. It says, Jose has 5 more erasers than Lois. Jose has 7. So how many erasers does Lois have? Write your answers below. Now let's read that again. It says Jose has 5 more than Lois. So I know Jose, his name down here starts with a J. I know Jose has the most. He has 5 more than Lois does. Then the next sentence says Jose has 7. So I know that information. I'm going to put the 7 right here. Now I need to think, okay, how many does Lois have? How could we do this? It tells me that Jose has 5 more. So 5 more than what she would have. I could say, well, 7 minus 5 would be 2, right? Or I could think, okay, I'm going to start at 7 and I'm going to count back 5 because he had 5 more than Lois. So if I'm at 7 and I go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I land on 2. Now this is kind of like when we did those part, whole maths. Remember that, where we would have to find the missing part. You could add, you could subtract, you could count on to help you solve. There's several different ways to find the answer. So if one of those ways doesn't work perfect for your brain, if it's a little too tricky, just try a different way. So on the next page at the top, it tells me that Steve has 13 books. Now you'll see I drew a big block with Steve's 13 books right here. Now it tells me that Claire has 4 fewer. So here's Claire's 4 fewer, but I need to figure out how many books Claire has. Now, I've got Steve's 13. This part is 4. How could I solve to find that part? Well, I could take my whole. Remember, the whole is the bigger number. I could take 13 minus 4. Now let's use our number line since it's handy. You could draw a quick picture. You could use counters. You could think in your head. Any strategy that works. But my number line's handy and I'm going to show you how to count. So if I'm at 13 and I go back 4 hops, here's what we do. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did I land on? Good, 9. So 13 minus 4 would be 9. Now the book shows you that you can do it a different way too. You could think, well, 4 plus what would be 13? So maybe you want to say 4 plus something equals 13. My marker's going. Oh no. So 4 plus what? If I'm at 4 on my number line, and I need to hop all the way up to 13, How many hops is that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is the same answer, isn't it? 9. So I know that this number is 9. Now, on your pages for today, it has you do the exact same thing. It gives you the part whole model, and you have to find that missing number, okay? So for today, make sure that you are doing pages 329 through 332. Don't forget to take a picture of your work. Send it to me. Also, don't forget to do your journal writing. That's important also. Send a picture of that to me. And like I said in our last video with the journeys, don't forget to come to the school between 9 and 6 today to pick up more materials for distance learning. All right, kiddos, I will see you all tomorrow.